Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Parashar. I'm currently doing my master's from IIT Jodhpur in sustainable development, and I want you to watch this video before starting my presentation. It's a short video telling you a brief about my story, so please bear with me for this video.
He grew up watching the river struggle. Years later, armed with knowledge, he returned to ensure a cleaner future for the Yamuna.
So, I'm working for River Yamuna, so that's the tagline. Let's start with a clean Yamuna. So when I was child, I used to live in Muzaffarpur, Bihar, one of the poorest state in India, and we had an open sewer nearby my house. It is called Bada Nala. Still, it is there. And we used to play a game. We used to throw a ball made from polythenes and try to track that ball in that Bada Nala. Years later, I realized that that ball actually goes to a river and pollutes a river. Then I decided to work on that problem and where to start. So I found out about one river which needs this the most. That is the Yamuna, which flows in our capital, New Delhi, and it's the lifeline for that city. And it also holds religious significance. So I started with smart effluent monitoring and river rejuvenation system. I made it, I tested it, and I will let you know what all I found out. So during my research about River Yamuna, I found out that only 2% of the river stretch, that is 22 kilometers, is equivalent to 80% of total pollution load. And most STPs and effluent monitoring systems and effluent cleaning systems on that river, which the Delhi government is now right now like operating, is not able to make the river clean. And the main cause is what gets measured can be managed, what can't be managed too. And the Delhi government is not able to manage because they don't do real time monitoring. So that's why river became open sewers and compliance data becomes statistical fiction. So let's go to the next slide. So why current monitoring fails actually? So there are three problems I found out. So the first is technical gap. Then second is regulatory gap. The third was is data gap. So the data gap can be fulfilled using real-time monitoring, but for that we need to fulfill the technical gap first. So no real-time data capture, no sampling done in real time. Everything is manual. Even now when AIoT is available for everyone. So I came up with this a new monitoring system. The goal is to make effluent monitoring affordable, continuous, and intelligent for everyone. So, my main objective is to detect the key parameters, analyze them, send the alerts for the government and STPs and the industries which are actually making it polluted or making the river polluted, and then visualize everything on dashboard. And this is the what I want to do in the stage 1. In stage 2 I want to do a SLM, small language model, to help the operators to clean the effluents. And in stage 3 I want to make a system which will help to optimize the whole water cleaning process, and we will be able to use all the effluent in other, like I want a zero wastage effluent monitoring system in my stage 3. So right now I'm working on stage 1. In stage 1 my ask is 12,000 USD, and for that I will buy industry grade sensors and IoT hardware. I will set up my lab for the SLMs and all, and I will develop edge AI for predictive maintenance and do field testing and early validation. So the system architecture I have developed is like two types. The first one uses internet through the MQTT host. I'm publishing all the data, and then I'm getting all the data at Raspberry Pi to show at the dashboard. All the sensors right now I have bought are non-industrial sensors, and they are connected to the field sensing node, which is a 32-bit Arduino Uno. And the dashboard side we are having right now a Raspberry Pi. So currently I have it is bootstrapped. I have put all my money from my own pocket. So there is another method that is a non-internet based version. In that I am using LoRa module. So this one I have developed because I know there is a lot of places where I need to monitor where there will be no internet. For that I have already made this. There will be a battery pack for deployment, and then there will be a LoRa module which will help us to gather data in real time without internet. So what validations and recognition I have got? So the prototype is already functional, the AI model is already working. This my thing is already in complete working, but not in an industrial grade working, because I couldn't afford the industrial grade sensor yet. The project is already selected for B Visioner Mercedes-Benz Fellowship Program. I am currently engaged with IIT Jodhpur researchers and environmental engineers as well. I got mentorship from IIT Jodhpur and as well as Mercedes-Benz Fellowship Program as well. So my team is right now I'm working on this project. So I'm a AIoT engineer and a budding entrepreneur. I have a background in water quality monitoring and smart environment systems, and I have experience developing ML driven water monitoring systems at IIT Jodhpur. So I am supported by many mentors, and currently I'm seeking partnership with research and development labs and industries to pilot my project. So this is a few photographs I have taken uh, with my with field visits and discussion with the teams and mentors. This is the photographs I am working when I was working on the system at my lab. And that's all from my side. Thank you everyone for listening.